Alright, let's do another example of solving equations with variables on both sides, including these hideous, ugly fractions. Now this one looks a little more like the kind of thing you're going to have to solve, not quite as bad as over here. First thing, notice that these fractions have a denominator of 2 and a denominator of 4. And the smallest number that both 2 and 4 go into is 4. So to get rid of these fractions, we're going to go times 4 on both sides. So that's going to give us 1 times 4 is 4. 1/2 times 4 is 4/2 b. 1/4 times 4 is 4/4 b, plus 1 times 4 is 4. And then that's going to simplify to 4 plus 4 over 2 is just 2b, equals 4 over 4 is just 1. I'll just leave the 1 off, plus 4. Alright, now let's subtract b from both sides to get all our variables on the same side. That's going to give us 4 plus b equals 4. And then we're going to go minus 4 on both sides in order to get b by itself. And that's going to leave us with b equals 0. Now to go back and check and see if we're doing this correctly, we're going to substitute 0 on both sides for b. That's pretty easy to do without a calculator. 1/2 times 0 is just 0. So we end up with a 1 on this side, and 1/4 times 0 is 0. So we end up with a 1 on this side. So if we end up with the same number on both sides after substituting our value, in this case 0 for b, then we've worked it out correctly. Also, when you go to do the find the point of intersection of the two lines, you're going to have to do this to find the y-coordinate. So in this case, the y-coordinate, the y-coordinate would be 1, and that would be our point of intersection of the two lines. Not quite what we're doing here today, but we're just solving for b and substituting that value into both sides to see that we get the same answer on both sides. Remember, to get rid of the ugly fractions, we multiply both sides by the smallest number that both denominators go into evenly. You don't have to do it, but I think it's just a very helpful step to get rid of the ugly fractions. Okay? So try another one out, and then go on and watch the video and see how I do it.